What is going on, everybody? Marissa Romero here, and in this video I'm going to give an affiliate marketing tutorial and suggest a beginning strategy to make $150 per day with affiliate marketing. Stay tuned.
Okay, bye.
All right, welcome back. So, as some of you may notice, those of you that have been following my channel, I have this awesome ring light that's making my face glow, and I love it. I'll show some B-roll of me unboxing a ring light kit. I've been on YouTube now for consistently since the middle of March, so March, April, May, June, so about 4 months, okay, and I've just been using simply my iPhone and a screencast recording or a screen share recording software called Snagit, right? And I've never really had good light. I knew I really needed to up my game, and so as soon as I got back to the United States about a week ago from my Southeast Asia trip, I ordered a lighting kit off Amazon and also a Logitech C930E webcam. So as you can see, those of you that have been following me, my video is also much clearer because it is now in 1080p HD. Which brings me to my next reason of why I'm making this video and why I'm talking to you guys, is I'm going to give you an affiliate marketing tutorial and talk about how you can make $150 per day. And the reason I picked $150 is because when I was an engineer, right, I had a salary. I think when I left my engineering career, I was making $80,000 per year, and that was my gross income. That was before taxes and retirement and all that type of stuff. But my net income per month was only about 3,200 or 3,400. It wasn't that much because I had so many taxes and money going here to retirement because I was single and I got hit really hard from the federal and state tax side. So when it boiled down to it, I'm like, what am I bringing home per day? Like after all that is being collected, I'm making about $110 per day. So if you're, single, or maybe you have, a husband or a wife, I would like to think that $150 per day, if you would make that online, would be enough for you to live off of and be able to quit your 9 to 5. I mean, in most cities in the United States, with the exception of like San Francisco or New York or other more expensive cities, you can easily make a living and survive off of $150 per day, in my opinion. And of course, you could survive off of that in any country in Southeast Asia, in South America, Central America, South Africa, all these places where you can take advantage of geo arbitrage, where you use the value of the American dollar to live in another part of the world, which is much cheaper than to live here in the United States, which is what I do. In the past 6 months, I've lived all over Southeast Asia, and the value of the dollar is much higher, and man, you could live like a king or a queen off of $2,000 per month. So I wanted to get to the content of today's video, which is affiliate marketing tutorial, and basically, I'm just going to tell my story because that is what I think is most going to help people with getting started. And so the first thing I wanted to say is that you've got to be in this for the long run, and you got to hit your affiliate marketing business hard. I mean, you have to work on your business every single day, but you especially have to go hard and grind within the first 90 days. So really the first 3 to 6 months, you're going to be pushing, and you might not get results your first 3 to 6 months with affiliate marketing because you are starting from scratch. And that is why so many people give up, because they try affiliate marketing maybe for 3 months, a month, 12 months, and they're like, well, I haven't made a dime online. And I'm like, well, what have you done? Why are you giving up? When we go the traditional way, in the way we've taught, at least in the US, traditional success looks like going to high school, getting good grades, getting a college degree, and then moving on to get a secure job. Let's say we go to school for 4 years to become an engineer, like I did. You're not really considered an engineer until after 4 years of training in college. And on top of that, we're still in training and entry-level positions on the job once you get your engineering degree. You're not considered a good engineer or an experienced engineer until you're 5-6 years into the game. It's the same thing with affiliate marketing. You have to respect it the same way that you respect any type of career, whether you're a doctor, lawyer, engineer, any field of expertise in any of the sciences. You have to respect affiliate marketing the same way and not treat it like some scheme where you'll be able to fill your bank account with tons of cash within the first 30 days of you trying it. That's impossible, and that's what makes me upset is when people quit so early. They don't even give themselves a chance to keep going. Because like I gave the example of going to college, if people can grind out and get a degree for 4 years to become something that they may not have even studied in college and to become good at it, why are people not patient when they're studying or when they're building a business and when they're building an asset online, an affiliate marketing business that'll be an asset for the rest of their lives? Why do they give up? Because in here, we are not thinking the correct way. We're not having the correct mindset when we are starting our businesses online. And we get embarrassed, we get let down by what other people think and what other people accuse of us, like saying it's a scam, saying it makes no sense, like why are you even trying? You're wasting your money and your time. Just go back to getting, a real income with a real job, having a steady backup as having a, income. Those things are the number one reason why people give up and quit. So another reason I picked the $150 mark as, something that you could make per day in affiliate marketing is because the other day I put the PayPal app on my iPhone because I've been receiving more and more commissions with PayPal, and I woke up to a $203 commission, and I was like, whoa, this is really cool. Like, I never thought in my life that I'd be able to make a dime online. Better yet, $203 in a day. I mean, I've made more than that in a day, but I was just like, wow, $203. Like, I showed a lot of gratitude during that moment because that was super cool. And so step one of, affiliate marketing for beginners is you have to sit down and figure out what niche you want to pursue based on what your interests are and what your passions are, and make sure that that niche is profitable. And by profitable, I mean making sure that people are in demand of searching for information and products on what it is you want. So, of course, I've mentioned this before, but the top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. So maybe you can start with one of those niches if one of those fall into your wheelhouse and you think that, okay, I can start with one of those niches. Step 2. Step 2 is what I have to leave up to you guys and what type of budget you have. My advice is to model what I'm doing and build your affiliate marketing that way. So what you could do is step 2, if you have a big budget, and I'm talking big budget like 10 grand, 15 grand, ready to invest in your business, and you don't want to, let's say, build a YouTube channel, build an audience, and make these tutorial videos like me, whether it's in make money online, fitness, whatever it is, you can use that money to build a list, because you're either going to have to build a list one of 2 ways. You're going to have to build a list with buying paid traffic, or you're going to have to build a list with organic and free traffic. So let me explain how to build your list if you have the money to invest in paid traffic. What that looks like is investing in, let's say, solo ads, Facebook ads traffic, Google ads traffic, and all these different types of campaigns that you can run to target people that are interested in the types of products you have. So, that is a great way to build your list. We recently interviewed, my business partner and I recently interviewed a millionaire affiliate marketer, and that is how he built his list. He didn't build a YouTube channel. He had money to invest to build a list, promote offers to that list, and whatever money he made and commissions he made from emailing his list, he would take that money and reinvest it back into his business, and he would buy more traffic and buy more leads. So that is one way to do it. However, if you don't have thousands of dollars to invest in building up your list, And when I'm saying building up your list, I'm saying building up a list to, 400,000 emails. That is how big, your email list should get eventually, because with an email list of that size, you're looking at potentially a revenue of, 150,000 to 200,000 US dollars per month. All right. But if you're somebody who's willing to provide value to your audience and build up an audience, and you're wanting to build your personal brand, or maybe, another type of brand, and you're willing to get on video and do video marketing and have people engage with you, then I suggest building a YouTube channel, because it is the highest leverage social media platform where you can give value and build an audience. And second to that is Instagram, but I think YouTube is way more powerful way more powerful than Instagram when it comes to building your list and collecting leads, emailing people products and offers in your niche. Why? Because people learn to like and trust you when they see your videos online. And that's why when you build up your list, when you have a YouTube channel, you don't need a huge list of 400,000 people. You can make a ton of money with just 10,000 leads, with just 50,000 leads, versus that bigger list that you're going to have to build when people don't know you, because your conversion rate and your open rate and your click-through rate when you send out emails is going to be a lot lower when people do not know you as well. I get this question a lot in my comments. They say, Marissa, you say to build a YouTube channel, but what if I don't want to get on camera? And I'm like, well, you don't have to get on camera if you want to record and make videos. You can not show your face and use a screen share program like Snagit or Camtasia or other types of software, so you can just show your screen on your review videos, your how-to videos, whatever it is you're showing. You can do it that way. And if you absolutely don't want to have people hear your voice or whatever it is, then you can simply do it the other way and start saving your money to build up a budget so you can have and investing in paid traffic and collecting leads that way in your niche, so that way you can build up your niche. But bottom line, guys, you need to build a list. That's what it boils down to. So after that, you have different steps of course, building landing pages, so you can have landing pages when you send out emails. People are going to click on your landing pages, both when you send out emails the paid traffic way, and also when you have your YouTube channel. Because when you have your YouTube channel, you'll have links in the descriptions to your landing pages to go to your lead magnets, okay? And so you'll need to be able to have the capability to build simple sales funnels, all right? So it goes kind of like this. Pick a niche, pick which way you want to build a list, organic and free traffic versus paid traffic and paid campaigns online, okay? So you're going to have to make that decision for yourself. I have so many videos that go over, how to create sales funnels for affiliate marketing, how to create a lead magnet, and all the rest of the steps you'll need to build your affiliate marketing business. So I hope this was helpful, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all. Also, I have a free course. It's a 5-part video course that goes over all of this in depth, where I talk about what you need to start your online affiliate marketing business and driving traffic, all that type of stuff. If you're interested, go ahead and go to the second link in the description and grab it while it's still available. And also, if you guys are interested in this program I use to create a full-time income online, go ahead and check out the very first link in the description and the system that I use. All right. Again, I hope this was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if it was. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because I post consistently pretty much daily on this channel. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you on the next video, guys.